Hey guys, I'm Andrew Drone here at MarineMax Houston in beautiful Seabrook, Texas, and I'm here today to talk to you about our 130 Super Sport. So for the new 2019 models, they've gone and kind of revamped it. There's a new body style. You have some additional swim platforms at the back so that it just makes the boat more functional. We'll start talking up here at the front. You've got your fish box here, and we've actually optioned this boat with lift spots, so you can use this boat on a davit and pull it and use it as a tender for any larger boat you might own. With this new body style, they've also redesigned and added in some helm storage here, so you have additional places to keep your things nice and dry. So you've got full throttle, helm, nav and anchor lights, and then it's also powered by a 40 horsepower Mercury engine, and this is just a nice little boat for whatever you might need it for. Like I said, guys, I'm Andrew Drone here at MarineMax in Seabrook, and I appreciate your time and hope you come see us.